A patriotic event, International Unity for Peace on New Year's Day, was held in the Center of Educational Innovations. We had very special guests, Boyd Bilich, a volunteer from the USA, and Kamil Winiarski from Rzeszów, Poland, who strongly support Ukraine. New Year and Christmas atmosphere was warming up all of us by Christmas performance, Vertep, singing carols, Bethlehem Fire of Peace, Alive Angels Guardians. A powerful wave of goodness and love is spreading all over the world. The respected delegation visited all our Factory of Victory and tried, of course, our traditional Ukrainian cuisine. Our guests did an interesting country-studying quest about Ivano-Frankivsk. They were opening with real keys and sure with their knowledge the most famous locations of the history of our town, together with methodologists and educators of the Center of Educational Innovations. We are very grateful to our foreign friends who do a lot for our people. It is very priceless. In the end, the volunteer Boyd Bilich gave a lot of presents to our displaced children, those who really need them, to the learners of the Center of Educational Innovations, to the winners of the competitions and Olympiads. Of course, these moments are unforgettable. Both our guests were awarded by the main specialist of the Ivano-Frankivsk Municipal Department of Education and Science, Igor Valko, for their strong position, help and support to Ukraine. We really do appreciate what you are doing for us, our dear guides. Thank you very much for your strong desire to help Ukraine, to support Ukraine. Glory to the USA, glory to Poland, glory to Ukraine. Слава Україні! Героям слава!